Have you ever created swallow but worried about the calories?
Or you are just tired of gari and fufu because of weight loss? Hold on there. Today I made swallow with just cabbage and added oats.
This is so rich in fiber and tasted so nice. You won't even know that this is not a basemo or the like. It's so easy to put together. Let me put you through. Off the camera, first thing I did was to properly wash my cabbage and with salt and or vinegar, whatever you use, make sure you properly wash and then cut them into smaller chunks. Cutting into smaller chunks will help my blender to do the work seamlessly. So guys, it's always better to cut them into smaller chunks unless you have a commercial blender at home. The smoother the better. And if you don't have a very good blender, I don't know how you're going to manage this. So guys, please make sure you blend till it's so very smooth like this. Next is to transfer it into the cheesecloth and allow the water to drain while you continue to blend the remaining ones. There are so many reasons why one need to be eating this cabbage swallow. This cabbage swallow helps to detoxify the system and is so easy to digest. Not only that, it promotes the skin and the health of our bones, that's our bone health. It also boosts immune system because of the rich content of the fiber. It supports our health. So why wouldn't you make oat swallow today, guys? With that being said, after I've blended everything, I went ahead to strain the juice. This juice is not useless, guys. I used it for my cabbage and cucumber juice, of which I just blended cucumber and ginger, added that together, and it gave me another juice. So nothing is a waste in agriculture, like I always say. So the next thing I did was to keep that in a pot and then proceeded to blending my oats. Here I would advise you use oats double of the size of the cabbage you are using. That is to get a very good consistency, else it might be difficult to come together. This oats helps to bind it properly. So after I've blended the oats, the next thing is to go in with little water and then mix until it gives me this kind of consistency, just as you can see. Please don't add too much water. Emphasis on do not add too much water. Then gradually add in your oats and continue to stir. Please pay attention to the heat. Cook on a low heat and stir until everything is well combined, just as you can see me do here. On the other hand, the health benefits of oats cannot be overemphasized. Oats is also good for a diabetic patient, someone who is on a weight loss journey or trying not to put on weight. Oats also is very healthy. Not only that, one of the reasons why I like oats is that the fiber content helps to make you full throughout the day once you take oats. I know there are many types of oats, but I use the Quaker oats, so feel free to use any oats of choice. So I continue to stir until everything comes together this way, and it's so nice at this point. Go ahead and serve. Guys, it's not difficult to make. Emphasis on low water and you are good to go. So this swallow can be eaten at any time of the day, I bet you, because of the nutritional value, and also can be served with any soup of choice. Here I served with okra soup and it tasted so good. It also can be served with something like oha soup. Yeah, I also served the other part of it with oha soup and I enjoyed myself. You can see how nice it is. It doesn't tear apart because of the oats that binded it, guys. I do hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you in my next one. Let me know when you try yours. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next one. Until then, take care of yourself, take care of your body, because that's the only place you have to live in, and eat healthy. Bye.